Midday News is brought to you by Dogra Chemist. Get 15 to 60% discount on all medicines and surgical items. Visit Dogra Chemist, Airport Road, Jammu. The Jammu region possesses huge tourism potential which would be explored to the fullest, Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha said on Thursday, while stressing that the uniform development across the Union Territory will be ensured. The administration's focus is on strengthening the Panchayati Raj institution, he said, adding that granting Rs 200 crore for the newly elected district development councils and doubling the funds from Rs 50 lakh to 1 crore each panchayat was a part of the plan.
सुनिश्चित होगा। दूसरा जो बात टूरिज्म वाली आपने कही, अब जो लीगेसी हमको मिली है वो एक दिन में मैं नहीं बदल सकता, वो हमारी लीगेसी है और ये मैं कह सकता हूं कि जम्मू संभाग में भी पर्यटन की असीम संभावनाएं और वो जल्दी से जल्दी विकसित हो उसकी कोशिश जरूर की जाएगी। और मैंने संकेत में पहले ही कहा था कि जो बजट है उसका ठीक से सदुपयोग होगा। आपने कुछ बातें सही कही हैं, मैं भी गया हूं उन इलाकों में, वहां अभी और सुविधाएं बढ़ाने की जरूरत है और वो कोशिश की जाएगी।
PDP President Mehbooba Mufti, who was questioned by the Enforcement Directorate for more than 5 hours on Thursday, said while dissent on being criminalized, the central agencies like the NIA, CBI and the ED were being misused to silence the opposition. She alleged that anyone opposing the current government was hounded by the trumped-up charges like sedition or money laundering.
एक ये था कि जो बिजबियाड़ा में मेरे मुफ्ती साहब के नाम पे जमीन थी वो बेची है, वो कैसे बेची, किस तरह बेची, कितने पैसे मिले, कौन सी ली थी। दूसरा, एज ए चीफ मिनिस्टर जो सीक्रेट फंड्स होते हैं उनको कहाँ खर्च किया जो आप विडोज को पैसा देती थी।
Hinting that a proper rehabilitation plan for the migrant Kashmiri Pandits may be in the pipeline, Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha on Thursday said a lot has been through about the community and soon something is going to happen which you have not ever imagined. He also said 8,000 underground bunkers have been completed along the line of control and the international borders for the safety of border residents and 1,200 more such structures will be constructed during the next financial year.
छोटा माध्यम है। दूसरी बात की ये 6,000 की बात जो होती है ये पहले से घोषित थी, कई कारणों से पूरी नहीं हो रही, तो पहला लक्ष्य है कि इसे जल्दी से जल्दी पूरा किया जाए और ये अंतिम पैकेज नहीं है कि 6,000 पर रुक जाएगा। एक बार पूरा हो जाए तो आगे भी हम करेंगे। दूसरी बात, पुनर्वास में और क्या क्या करना है ये बहुत कुछ सोचा गया है, आज सार्वजनिक करने की जरूरत मैं उसे नहीं समझ रहा हूँ।
Jammu and Kashmir recorded 172 new COVID-19 cases on Thursday, taking the infection count to 129,203, officials said. No fresh coronavirus-related death was reported in the past 24 hours. Of the new cases, which included 46 travellers, 41 were from the Jammu division and 131 were from the Kashmir division. Srinagar district recorded the highest of 65 cases, including 25 travellers, followed by 34 in the Jammu district. The number of active cases, which has been rising steadily over the past week, currently stands at 1,593, while 1,25,627 patients have recovered so far. Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha on Thursday held a meeting with the divisional commissioners, deputy commissioners and the superintendents of police through the video conferencing. The Lieutenant Governor in his interactions with the officers set out the agenda of establishing a transparent, accountable and citizen-centric governance system right from the Tehsil block level to the district level. The Lieutenant Governor exhorted them to be sensitive and responsive to the problems of citizens and put their best efforts to mitigate the same. Commissioner Secretary Labour and Employment Sarita Chauhan on Thursday chaired a meeting to review the functioning of Employment Department. Speaking during the meeting, Commissioner Secretary impressed upon the officers to work with the dedication and reorient themselves to change with time and technology in order to bring out the outcomes. The Commissioner Secretary asked the officers to act as a facilitator to provide a platform for job seekers and job providers to enable employment access. Continuing government's endeavour to resolve people's grievance through the accountable and responsive governance, Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha on Thursday held the 6th round of LD's Mulaqat live public grievance hearing. In 1.5-hour-long program, the Lieutenant Governor took first-hand appraisal of the grievances as many as 19 randomly selected applicants from across the UP through the virtual mode. Turning public feedbacks on the working of the administration as a key component of people-centered governance, the Lieutenant Governor asked administrative secretaries, DCs and SPs to undertake proactive measures to bring more accountability in public grievance redressal mechanism. Advisor to Lieutenant Governor Basir Khan on Thursday convened a public darbar at Grievance Cell, Sonwar to hear the grievances in which more than 150 delegations and individuals participated. The delegations and individuals appraised the advisor about the issues and demands pertaining to the areas and sought immediate redressals of the same. On the occasion, Advisor Basir Khan gave passionate hearing to the grievances and demands raised by the deputations and general public.